If you're seeing the OneDrive error code 0X8004De44, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get OneDrive signing in again and syncing properly. This issue is often related to account connection problems or network settings, so we're going to walk through the two most effective fixes in order. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Windows fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find OneDrive, click the cloud icon to open it. From here, you want to access the settings. Click the gear icon, then choose Settings. Inside the OneDrive settings window, go to the Account tab. This is where OneDrive shows the connected Microsoft account and sync details. If OneDrive is stuck with error 0X8004De44, a good first step is to disconnect and reconnect the account. Click Unlink this PC. OneDrive will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and confirm the action. This does not delete your files, but it does disconnect the local OneDrive connection on this computer. After that, close the window completely, then restart OneDrive. You can usually do this by opening the Start menu, searching for OneDrive, and launching it again. Once it opens, sign back into your Microsoft account, enter your email and password carefully, and complete any verification steps if prompted. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the sign-in error and restore access. If you're still getting the 0X8004De44 error after reconnecting OneDrive, the next thing to do is reset your network settings. This helps if a bad network configuration or connection issue is blocking OneDrive from communicating with Microsoft servers. To do that, right-click the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings app, go to Network and Internet, then choose Advanced Network Settings. Scroll until you see Network Reset. Click Network Reset, then select Reset Now. Windows will warn you that this will remove and reinstall network adapters and reset network components, so make sure you're ready to continue. Click Yes to confirm. After you confirm, wait for your PC to restart. Once the computer comes back on, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet if needed, then open OneDrive again and sign in one more time. This fresh network reset can often clear connection conflicts that prevent OneDrive from authenticating properly. If the problem is gone, great. OneDrive should now work normally. If not, double check that your Microsoft account credentials are correct, your internet connection is stable, and Windows is fully updated. Also, make sure there isn't a VPN, proxy, or firewall rule interfering with OneDrive. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for OneDrive error code 0X8004De44 are to unlink and sign back into OneDrive, and if needed, reset your network settings and restart your PC. These two steps solve the issue for many users because they refresh both the account connection and the network path OneDrive uses to connect. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and Windows fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.